Stoned again. What's new? Yeah. Money on the floor, job well done. Street drag race till the cops come. Like a video game, I'm playing outrun. Drop top, moving with a stitchy bun. A little pretty son, got a titty sitting in the sun. Lit up another one, and then we switch scenes, living like fits for the silver screen. On the big things, whip so clean, the gas smelling like Listerine. Talk my shit, let them naysayers marvel at my accomplishments. You was here at the beginning, but you didn't stay down with it. We came up, you trying to come back round and shit. As I predicted. Looking at myself in the infinity mirror. See myself killing it forever, my nigga. Even if they shoot us down there, never get us. Don't make nights, you still living. Smoke 2 joints before my flight and disappeared. Landed in Miami, break bread with family out there. Extracts looking like caramel candy. Butterscotch factory, drag across the nail. I inhale, I exhale. My mind laxing on ways to make mail. Real niggas will prevail. Them sucker boys is too frail. My bricks tipping the scale, and the water blending in with the sharks and the killer whales. Because they know me well. Yeah. Open air market, anything for sale. Yeah. Open air market, anything for sale.
Wild Stallion Entertainment.
shots. I done mixed McQueen with the blue dot. Thug life, Tupac. Smoke me a J on the rooftop. Champagne, campaign. Spend the whole day on the airplane. Barely get my team on the airplane. Barely get my luggage on the airplane. Looking at me like the captain. They treat me like the captain. Know where I'm going like the captain. Show up when I want like the captain. Everywhere I go, I'm 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 the captain. What's happening? What's happening? I can hit the trap, make a backflip. What's happening? What's happening? I done made $1 million off rapping. What's happening? What's happening? I can fuck your bitch, no capping. Niggas think they real till they lacking. You ain't getting money unless you stacking. Niggas hate me, I imagine. No, I don't do shit average. In a minute, I'ma get shit smacking. Up front, we ain't dealing with no back end. What's happening? What's happening? All these niggas really care about is fashion. Don't even ask to hit the weed, you ain't matching. How they gang is the question that I'm asking. One shot, two shots. I done mix with Queen with the blue dot. Thug life, Tupac. Smoke me a J on the rooftop. Champagne, campaign. Spend the whole day on the airplane. Barely get my team on the airplane. Barely get my luggage on the airplane. Looking at me like the captain, they treat me like the captain. Know where I'm going like the captain. Show up when I want like the captain. Everywhere I go, I'm 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 the captain.
What's happening? What's happening? Nut on her face, then I pass her a napkin. Come big racks, blow big bags. Lil' perp pulled up in the Maybach. Lil' bitch give me head and I lay back. Nigga talk shit on his head like a wave cap. Fuck the little hoe in the Aston Martin. Blow 7 bands on the jacket. Diamonds on me and they dance like step up. Test me, nigga, shoot from the neck up. Bust down here, you know I had to flex up. No doctor, but you know I got my check up. 2 Glocks. 2 shots, shoot at his face, that's a crowd talk. Riding that 4 in that drop top. Calling his bitch, get the slot top.
One shot, 2 shots. I done mix with Queen with the blue dot. Thug life, Tupac. Smoke me a J on the rooftop. Champagne, campaign. Spend the whole day on the airplane. Barely get my team on the airplane. Barely get my luggage on the airplane. Looking at me like the captain, they treat me like the captain. Know where I'm going like the captain. Show up when I want like the captain. Everywhere I go, I'm 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 the captain.
How many times I told you niggas I ain't playing with you? Ride around through my city, making it do what it do. I'm a boss, I ain't taking no losses, yeah, I refuse. Fuck who won't like it, gotta respect how I move. Respect how I move, gotta respect how I move. Respect, respect how I move. You know how I do it, respect how I move. You know how I move. Fuck, I don't like it. Yeah, you know the squad. Yeah, we move like the mob.